Hey! Welcome to Moto IoT. It's Jericho. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this time it's for my new helmet that I bought from Revzilla. By the way, I am not promoting Revzilla. It just happens that I usually buy my motorcycle gears and parts from them. And maybe someday, Revzilla will give me some of that cheese for promoting their brand. Let's move on. This is the Bell Raystar Flex DLX Lux helmet. It's a lot of words, but it's cool. All right. So 5 stars on Revzilla.com. $779.95 plus tax. 10% lighter than its Raystar cousins. Speaker cheek pads, carbon fiber, or featuring super light 3K carbon shell. I don't know what it means, but it's cool. All right. Race View ergonomics, 3-layer flex impact liner, panel vision, pro tint photochromatic shield. That's what really attracted me to this helmet. It's that feature, which pretty much becomes darker depending on light condition. If you're familiar with one of those transition eyeglasses, in which the lenses turn darker if you are outside and there's strong sunlight, or if you are inside and there's minimal light, it turns clear. So yes, that's what really attracted me. There are other premium helmets out there that has the same feature, but usually you have to buy them separately. So this one at least already comes with it. Okay. What else? So the liner is using cool jade fabric from Virus, which supposedly will keep the inside of your helmet or your head 10% or 10° Fahrenheit cooler than normal. Lastly, it's Snell M2015 and DOT certified, and it only comes with black or glossy black and orange color scheme, which I like it. I like that color combination. So that's another thing that attracted me to this helmet. So let's go ahead and unbox this, but before that, cue the intro. All right, here we go. I am so excited. Got my knife, and I got my box. Also got my coffee. Let's do this. Go ahead and take that out. Okay. Ooh, it's a little hard here. Then just cut across the top here. Yeah. All right. Here we go. I'm so excited. I hope you are as excited as me. Here we go. Bell. All right. It's already open. Flex. Okay, it comes in a bag. Wow. Okay, there's nothing else in there. Comes with this box, with this bag. It has Bell in it. That's cool. If I'm traveling and I want to bring my helmet with me for some reason, I can just use this bag. Looks pretty cheap. There's a pocket here. Maybe they had something inside. No, there's nothing. I was hoping they put something in there like a freebie, Can you see that? It's the choice of professionals. I guess if you're a racing professional, but I'm not a race or motorcycle racing professional. Oh, there you go. Race star. Fancy. All right, let's go ahead and unwrap this. That's pretty cool. You can actually just pull this right here. Oh, there's something inside. Oh no, this is just a pad. All right, there it is. There's the helmet. Let's take that bad boy out. Oh wow, it's very light. Oh my, oh this is. I am so used on my HJC modular helmet, and that one is pretty heavy, especially when I'm using it on my sports bike. That thing hurts the back of my neck pretty bad. But this one is light. I can tell you that right now. Okay, let's go remove the thing here. Oh. Wow, look at this. See that? Look at that carbon fiber finish right there. You can see it. There's the orange back. I like the color combination of this. So this part is matte black, right? And then got this orange color. He has the flex word there. Snell approved. Raystar DOT certified. Right there. It's saying it's Panovision Shield. Right? This is pretty cool. Just the fact that it's so light. It's like way lighter than my current helmet. It's pretty cool already. I also like that the logo, the Bell logo here, is not too loud. Like if you compare it to my HJC, it's white, so you can on black. So the logo is kind of like pretty much screaming to you if you're looking at it. Same thing with I think Arai has the same the same loudness of the logo on the top of the helmet there. So there's some cool. There you go. I think this one is for. I guess it's for like the ventilation. Let's go ahead and try it on, sirs. Oh, there you go. Let's open that. Okay, it won't open. I don't know why. Maybe it's lock. Panovision. I'm not usually a fan of glossy black like this, but I think I can, this one, it looks really nice because it's the fact that it's carbon fiber. Also, if they made it like glossy all over, then I think it's gonna look a little bad. But since this part right here, they kind of like stop at this point right here and turned into and made the rest of it at the back here matted or matte. I'm not sure what the word is, but yeah, like see, this one is not glossy. This part is glossy and it's carbon fiber. It's what really made it nicer. Alright, let's go ahead and try this on. So my current helmet is actually XL, and I feel like it's still it moves around when when I'm riding. So I went for a large this time, and then let's see if that's gonna fit well on me. All right. Let's see how it feels on my head. So it has a D-ring right here. Okay, here we go. Maybe I should open this shield for this face first. I don't know why it's not. Why are you not opening? Oh, there's another ventilation there. Another ventilation on the top there. But my question is, maybe I should read the instruction first, huh? Okay. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, it's a little hard there. Okay. Alright, so this is large. It fits firmly in my head. It's definitely light, or at least lighter than what I'm using now. Right now, it kind of hurts my ears because of the tightness. But I can tell you right now that if I'm on my bike riding on high speed, this will stay firmly on my head. But I'm gonna have to see if I can do something about the tightness in my ear. Let's see here. So I'm trying to put this this strap on. Come on, strap. Don't fail. All right. I don't know if it looks good. There's the panoramic. All right. So the shield kind of locks in place somewhere here. You guys hear that pop? So it's a little harder to remove. Maybe I'll get used to it eventually. But yeah, so it's pretty firm. Now it's a little uncomfortable to the ears, but maybe I'll grow into it. It's definitely light, and so far I'm pretty impressed. I like it. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna post the link to RevZilla for this product if you're interested to check it out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. And I'll see you guys next time.